So, Jai Hind everyone. Today we are discussing the topic growing population of the country. Increasing population of the India is an asset, agree or disagree. So here I have got some students with me and they would be sharing their own points, own words about the topic. So let's get started.
Hello guys, my name is Anmol Singh and today's our topic is India's population, asset or liability. According to me, India's higher population is liability because the rapid growth of our population is a burden to our country. ठीक है, the higher the population, increase the less chance of employment, and it cause environment degradation, poverty, and other damages to our country.
Okay, I am appreciate your point, but increasing of population is also increasing the way of employment. If the people was less, then the employment things are not. The increase was like that because if we have 5 people and the work was only for 5. If we have 10 people, then we think about that. How can we give the employment of that 10 people? So we have to be increase the employment rate like that.
In our country, there is a lack of employment rate, but our population is very wide and very populated country over India.
That's why our India is going to be increased for these ways of scientific reasons. Many of the scientists was doing some more scientific things, and many of the scientists made many of the machines to be employed for the pupils. There was many ITs and IITs factories and many of the fertilization factories. So we can make many of the illiterate pupils also get employed in these factories. So population is the basic source of employment.
Okay.
And I also think that population is an asset for us because India provides many and thousands of skillful English spoken professionals and also engineers, almost a million annually. Engineers provides to the world, and India provides thousands of laborers to the world. It was 472 million in 2006 and 576 million in 2012, and it is expected to 676 million in 2031. And I think it is very useful for the world that India provides many laborers for the labor work.
And one of the reason is that many factories get job for workers, but many of workers illiterate, and many of workers go to job, have go to job, but they do work hardly and more, but they can't get more because of growing population.
There was Act of Labor Act 2005 in which the labor was contributed and having some minimum amount of salary. So government do many of the things for the unemployment. So if the population was increasing, the government thinks about how to give them employment, or if think about that kind of families which have no son or then, so they have to be increase their generation or their genetic gap. So they have to be more birth pupils for them, and the the population increasing is also benefit for our India in many of the reasons. If population is increased, then we have many of the high scientists or astronauts, many of the jobbers or big and richest people were found in India if the population was increased.
And growing population is badly affect on our environment because we have to produce many crops for our country and world also, but we have to cut many forests, many trees because of producing more, and its effect on our environment and nature, and many of we can say many of crisis in Amazon forest. In Amazon forest,
you are talking about agriculture, India is vast form of agriculture in it. India distribute wheat, rice, and many of the food grains in all over the world. If the population is too high, so we don't have to cut the trees and growing the agriculture fields. We have sufficient agriculture fields for our population.
No.
But still our farmers commit suicide regularly,
Yes.
daily. So how can you say higher population is a asset for our country?
Suicide of farmer is not the population factor, because farmers suicide because of their failure of agriculture, due to dryness of water, less of rain, less of water of their facility,
But it's all
So it
happening
is
just
not-
because of explosion of growing of pupils. Because the problems are happening because of people. When the pupils are growing, they are growing the technology and transfer vehicles and so many other things, and that's why they are producing the harmful gases and so many harmful things, and that's how the environment is decreasing and destroying, and because of these problems the rain is not happening, and these are the reason why the farmers are committing the suicides.
If you are talking about that farmer committing suicide because of increasing population, if we think about the population was not increased, according to this, the scientific reason was not going to be down, because the scientist was always try to find something new, and the the vehicles was using by the people. There was 4 cars in one family. There was 4 person using 4 cars. So it is not about like that the population increase. If you have only 1 car and you have 5 or 10 people, then you are using only 1 car. If you have, so the vehicles using is according to your salary or according to your pay which you have to be. So this is not the reason that farmers will be die because of science is increasing. Science is boon for India or boon for world.
And
Higher population is also degrade our soil cultivation, soil harvesting, because okay, higher population, if Indian peoples destroy the environment and cause environment degradation, so our soil fertility.
How can you say that the increasing population is degrading the soil fertility?
Because
there is no comparison between population increase or the
because
fertility of soil.
higher the population rise, the
Higher demand will be there for the food.
higher, yes.
But in India, there was not a less of food grains. There is vast varieties of food
You
grains
can
and
see
vast.
this nowadays farmers are using the products which are being used scientifically. These are not good for the earth and for the soil. They are using some, I must say, some acids are being used for
Inoculum.
But sir,
increasing the crop. So this is harming them. So when they want more crop, more population, they will increase more than
Sir,
this.
they are using these fertilizers or these things because they want to earn more wheat
money.
and more money.
So how
This
much
is
is
not
it?
about the population. This is about money.
Okay.
Hello everyone, my name is Nitesh Kumar and I'm in favor of population because population increasing day by day, and because of this demand is increasing and cost also increasing, and population increasing day by day because of literate people, and my friend says we are providing more engineers and more scientists, but you can see this scientist is like a 1, 2, 3, not many. We provide many of younger engineer, but they can't provide a job. All our younger engineers are jobless. So
but
If you see in many of the countries in the world-
he's trying to say that people pursue the B.Tech, B.Ed, all the things. After completing their graduation, students are not sure in the country they will get job or not.
Yes.
When population is more, then how they can get the job? How can you give them surety that they would be getting job? Many engineers are there, they are unemployed. unemployed. You would see many other hand you can see on the BA, BTech holder teachers. They don't have jobs for them. So if they don't have jobs, then just because of the population. He's trying to say that.
Because of population increasing day by day, and government sector also are converted in privatization, and pension also can cancel, and because of this population increasing day by day.
But due to population, there are many reasons that
I would like to ask one question. Are you sure they are not getting job because of their population, because of their skills? A person who is skilled enough, who has got deserving degrees, deserving marks, aren't they getting jobs?
If a population increasing, suppose if a family having a four member, if we can't provide a food, proper job, so how we provide?
First, it was about food. Now we talk about jobs.
Skill.
People who are skilled in the country, not only the country, not only place, they are getting job everywhere. Who are skilled, who are sufficient. See, many cricketers are playing cricket, but Virat Kohli comes first. Why he comes first? Because he is good cricketer. He is skilled cricketer. Similarly, if you work upon yourself, if you work upon your skill, you are a good teacher. Then definitely student will come to you. If a teacher is not good enough, then student will not come to you. Definitely.
If we are talking about jobs
Be
or
the skill.
employment, our government should start Swayam Yojana and Mag Yojana
This
for
can
the
be
startup of the newly educated or BTech holders and BAs holders to do their own jobs. So government should provide many of the schemes for like that to do startups. If you are not getting job, then start your own business.
and because of population, there are many reasons that productivity and demand also increases according to increase in population, and many startup starts, and because of this, the economy of the country will also increase.
The assets and liabilities depend on how a country use of youth power. I said it is right said that the people is a supreme power. When a country use the people in a right way and right manner, the population rising is a work as a assets. And when a country is not looking after to their citizens and not provide jobs and education, then growing a population work as a liability.
Bro, I come to your point. You are talking about jobs and employment. Nowadays, getting a government job is like a climbing Mount Everest, because there is a higher rate of competition in our country due to the higher population. And another thing, did you notice India ranked in 120? India rank of happiness countries 126 out of 137 countries. You can see India is very below in happiness country. It is due to the less employment rate. That's why.
If you are talking about European countries index, then the hunger index is also lower in India. But the Sri Lanka is crisis of food. The Pakistan is crisis of food.
Still.
So we are not talking about the European index. And European will never want to the India is going to be developed.
Our topic is population of India is asset or liability. So why are you comparing Europe and Pakistan? Pakistan and Sri Lanka, Afghanistan are still better to our country. They are happiest to our country. Check Google.
I already read about that index.
Yes.
But the index was not correct according to the European or Indian things.
Because
You see in Pakistan,
In European countries, they never want our country to develop more.
Develop more.
So they try to show the image of a country negative manner.
Negative.
In the rapist case also, in the other case also. But exactly we are discussing the topic. Topic is about population. So as we have been number one these days, now we have come on number one top. So what we are discussing same topic. So anything you would like to add on something on that?
Okay, due to increasing of population, the agricultural lands are dividing in so many pieces. Due to this reason, the farmers are attempting suicide, and they are not able to they are not able to fulfill their fields with the natural fertilization. They are using the artificial or scientific fertilization for their fields, and that's how this is the reason why their crops are not growing frequently and smoothly, and that's why the so many diseases are happening, and that's why they are using artificial fertilization to gain more profits, and because they are also trying to fulfill the all orders of population.
As you say that according to you, if population increase, then farmer use fertilizers, scientific fertilizers for it.
Yeah.
If we are talking about many more other countries which population have less than 10% of India's population, they are also using scientific fertilizers for their agriculture.
Yeah.
So the population increase is not a scientific is not a reason for using scientific fertilizer in our agriculture field.
Why?
Because if we want more money, more food grains, we use scientific fertilizer. If we want only the grains to be fulfill our needs, we use simple natural fertilizers.
Due to increasing of population, peoples are eating the also eating the animals like buffalo and pigs also. That's how the problem of happening of natural fertilization, because they are the source of natural fertilization. That's why I am
Due to
saying
increase of population, people do not eat buffaloes and pigs.
They are also eating.
I would like to let you know. I would like to ask you one more thing also. If you think that the population is a problem, then why this word is talking about the population is a problem? Why people are suffered too much? They are worried about the population. What is the reason behind that? The whole world is worried about. The whole country is worried about. People, everybody, they are aware of the problem of the population. So what you are trying to prove that is a positive one. How is? Why do you think so?
Because sir, people are worried about increasing population because the weight on the earth is increasing day by day. Due to the scientific reason, the earth's rotation speed is going to be decreased. But we are talking about the population of only one country.
Yes, that's what we are discussing here. So why you want this? It can be a asset for the country. How can you say that?
If sir, in my opinion, if population was increasing in a simpler way, that like they were increasing, so it will be increasing more economical growth of India. Because if we have the 10 people earning 10 rupees all, then we have only 100. If we have 1,000 people and they all are incoming source of 10 rupees, then we have 10,000 rupees. The economic growth is also increased by the population.
It is a relevant point.
Okay.
Majority of our country are unemployed. Okay. So as you were talking about, a farmer use artificial fertilizers, they can earn more. In our country, due to higher population, so also there is a increase in inflation rate. So that's why people want to earn more, because they don't want to.
But that's what he has explained. Nah? He's explaining that in a family, if there are 4 members, they are earning 10 rupees, they are earning 40 rupees. In a family, if there's only one member, if he is earning only 10 rupees, then what's the worth in that? So you must have more population over there. That's what he's trying to prove that.
Or you are talking about agriculture, I will clear that point. In an agriculture field, India export more than 50 or 60% wheat of India exporting in other countries. Or all over the world there is 20% wheat was grown in India. So it is a huge amount, and we have only 0.2 or 6% population of the world in India. So we cultivate more than our population in an agriculture field. So we are not talking about that if we have more population, so we have to be cultivate more crop. We are always cultivate more crop and help other countries.
So as we had a really good discussion over here, the discussion was really healthy, and some of the students they are saying it was nice discussion. Actually, they were saying they were supporting population is asset. Some are saying there is no asset, is liability. Some agree, some disagree. I would like to add on some points over here. I want to tell you one thing only. As you can see, India has become now first number 1 populous country in the world. So some people try to say that it is negative. That's true, because of the population we can improve poverty. That's fact. It is. If we are more populous country, definitely we are going to grow poverty over there, as well unemployment, as well we can talk about the crime would be definitely increased. If people are unemployed, they would do nothing. They would definitely be doing crime over there. Such kind of crimes cannot be rooted up. Farmers would have the problems, as the government would have the problem to maintain the things. Transportation problem would be there, and pollution, corruption. We have no doubt that pollution definitely increased. However, you can prove anything right. Population is a boon for the country, but even you can see, but how it is good for the nature. It is definitely going all the vain for the country, for the nature especially. If you are more people, definitely more people will have more homes, houses will be built. Definitely they need land for that. Then we don't have that much sufficient land. Yes, we do have forest, but we need to develop all the things. It would take long time. If you talk about in China, people still live on the trees and as well in caves. But in India, we cannot live like that. So it is going to be a problem. But हमें ये नहीं सोचना है कि देश में पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई है तो टेंशन में रहो, जियो, ये क्या कैसे करें. वी हैव टू चेंज द माइंडसेट चेंज करना पड़ेगा. हाउ वी कैन चेंज द माइंडसेट? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, गवर्नमेंट शुड ऑर्गेनाइज सम काइंड ऑफ पॉलिसीज, which is पॉलिसी ऑर्गेनाइज करें, एजुकेट द पीपल. मीनिंग ऑफ एजुकेशन डजंट मीन, मेरा मतलब ये नहीं कहने का कि उसे उन्हें पढ़ाई लिखाई करवाओ, BA, B.Ed, M.Com करवाओ. आई एम ट्राइंग टू से दैट, टेल देम व्हाट इज नीड, व्हाट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन द कंट्री राइट नाउ. लोगों का माइंडसेट क्या है कि आप देखें कुछ लोगों ने लड़के के चक्कर में 4 लड़के पैदा कर रखे हैं. वो कहते हैं लड़का ही हमारे घर को चलाएगा, उसका बहुत बड़ा महिष्मती का साम्राज्य है, उसको लड़का चलाएगा. कोई महिष्मती साम्राज्य नहीं चला रहा वो, लड़कियां भी उतना चला सकती हैं, लड़के भी चला सकते हैं. वी हैव टू चेंज दिस माइंडसेट. Men will have same mindset in the country. There's a because of this orthodoxy, population increasing. In our family, we have around 3 or 4 daughters. They think that हमारे लक्ष्मी आई है, चाहे काली आई है, लेकिन वो अब यहाँ पे आई है, वो तो फॉर्म करेगी, अब वो तो है, लेकिन जो लाई गई है जबरदस्ती आपके द्वारा लड़के के चक्कर में, तो वो प्रॉब्लम रहती है. So that somewhere it is increasing population. So when you have 1 child or 2 child, that's enough. So we can control somehow. This is how we can educate them. Other hand, how we can make this asset in country. Train the people. In India, youngsters are not useless. Actually, they are used less. As he said, youngsters, youth, people should be used in proper manner. लोग कहते हैं पास कर लिया, हमने ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया, हमने पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन कर लिया, हम अनएम्प्लॉयड बैठे हुए हैं. सर, आपने कैसे पढ़ाई करी वो आप जानते हैं, किससे पढ़ाई करी. अगर आपने डिजर्विंग है, स्किल्ड है, अपने सब्जेक्ट में परफेक्ट हो, तो आप इतना कमा सकते हैं, तो बहुत कमा सकते हैं. तो अपने फील्ड का अच्छा खिलाड़ी बनना पड़ता है पहले. If you are good at teaching, be a good teacher. Nobody is like you. If you are a cricketer, be a best cricketer in your life. Whatever you are doing, अगर आपने BA करने के बाद में कोई छोटी जॉब करी है, we must have a mindset. आपका mindset ऐसा होना चाहिए, do work more than you get paid. Do work more than you get paid. जितना आपको पे किया जाएगा उससे कहीं ज़्यादा काम करने का एटीट्यूड रखोगे. जितने रिचेस्ट लोग हुए, जितने सक्सेसफुल लोग, सबका एटीट्यूड यही था कि वो काम उतना करते हैं जितना उन्हें पैसा होता है. कुछ लोग होते हैं जितना काम ना करना पड़े, बस पैसा आता रहे. कुछ होते हैं जिनको उनको पैसा, जितनी कोई सैलरी होती है उससे कम काम करते हैं. कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं, बहुत ही कम परसेंटेज लोगों का, जितने को सैलरी मिलती है उस सैलरी से कहीं ज़्यादा काम करते हैं. वंस यू हैव दिस एटीट्यूड, आप एक बार ये एटीट्यूड आपको डेवलप करेंगे, देन यू विल बी स्किल्ड पर्सन इन फ्यूचर एंड यू विल अर्न द मनी विच यू वांट. जो पैसा आते हो आपको अर्न होगा. सो गवर्नमेंट शुड ट्रेन सम काइंड ऑफ ट्रेनिंग सेंटर्स, जो कि भी कर रहे हैं, इस समय चल भी रहा है सब प्रोग्राम. तो ऐसे स्किल्स को हर जगह जा करके उसका क्रॉस चेक जरूर करें, ताकि लोग बता सकें यूथ डेवलप है कि नहीं है. हमारे इंडिया में वो जो वृद्ध हैं वो केवल 7% है. 65 प्लस जो ओल्ड एज लोग हैं वो केवल 65%, वो 7% है उनका. 65 प्लस 7% रेशियो हमारे यहाँ. लेकिन बात करें 15 to 64 ईयर्स के लिए युवा जो होता है वो अपना काम कर सकता है. 60 साल तो काम कर लेता व्यक्ति, उसके पास भी 68% है. बाकी बच्चे और बाकी आदमी 68% जो लोग हैं, जो अगर ये अच्छे से काम करना शुरू करें, यंगस्टर्स को, हर कंपनी चाहती है यंगस्टर्स को मौका देना, हर गेम स्पोर्ट हर जगह यंगस्टर्स चाहते हैं. तो इंडिया इज गोइंग टू बी यंग नेशन. दैट्स व्हाई a whole world is saying that country is really good, country is growing now. So we are on the verge of growing and we must be growing. We must think positive, be optimist, don't have pessimistic thinking about the things. अगर आपके घर में एक ट्रक खड़ा हुआ है, वहीं 3 ट्रक आ जाएं, तो अब ये नहीं सोचो 3 ट्रक आगे दिक्कत हो गई, बल्कि ट्रक को काम पे कैसे लगाना वो सोचें. ऐसी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई है, नेवर थिंक अबाउट इट. पॉपुलेशन बढ़ गई है, उस पॉपुलेशन को कैसे मेंटेन करना है, कैसे स्किल को यूज करना है, वहाँ लगाएं. व्हाट इज हैपनिंग एग्जैक्टली, हमारे यंगस्टर्स कहाँ जा रहे हैं? दे आर वॉचिंग रील्स. आप देखेंगे प्रॉब्लम रील्स देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे वो अननेसेसरी रील्स देख रहे हैं जो उन्हें नीड नहीं है. बजाय उन्हीं रील्स को, अब उनसे मना नहीं कर सकते रील्स मत देखिए या फिर ऐसे काम मत करिए या ऐसी, आप देखो व्यूज किन ज़्यादा होते हैं, बजाय उन्हीं रील्स को मना करने के उन्हीं रील्स में कुछ ऐसी बातें, ऐसे एजुकेशन, ऐसे चैनल्स बनाए जाएं जिससे कि वो सीख पाए। सेलिब्रिटीज होते हैं, उन सेलिब्रिटीज को बताया जाए कि आप इस चीज़ पर मूवी बनाएं, इस टॉपिक पर मूवी बनाएं, पॉपुलेशन मूवी बनाइए, देश प्रेम पर मूवी बनाइए, इन मूवीज को बनाएंगे तो लोग इस आपसे इंस्पायर होंगे। क्योंकि हमारे यंगस्टर सबसे इंस्पायर होता है सेलिब्रिटीज से, एक्टर, एक्ट्रेस, टीवी एंकर्स, टीवी एक्टर्स से होते हैं। तो इन एक्टर्स को कहा जाए, लेकिन हमें हिस्ट्री पढ़ाई जानी चाहिए, रियल हिस्ट्री उस पर फोकस किया जाना चाहिए। एजुकेशन पुरानी थी, वो उस पर बताया, वेदों के बारे में बताया जाना चाहिए। इफ वी आर टॉट अबाउट दिस, डेफिनेटली वी आर गोइंग टू ग्रो दैट एंड वी कैन कंट्रोल इट इजीली। सो इट्स नॉट अ bane at all, we can make it boon. I do agree it is a bane somewhere, but we can make it boon. So have a optimistic attitude, optimistic thinking on that. So that's it for today. So thank you all for a nice discussion. Jai Hind. Thank you.
Jai Hind, sir.